Hi everyone, my name is Philip the Irobot, and today I'm excited to tell you about the new Roomba i3 Plus EVO. This robot is awesome, and it's going to give you that convenience of being able to pick and choose which rooms you want to clean in your home. We'll take a look at that in a minute, but first, we need to see what comes inside the box. Got the Roomba itself. This is sitting on the clean base automatic dirt disposal, which is also its charging base. You've got one power cord to the charging base itself to keep your robot nice and charged. We've got one extra high efficiency filter. One will already be inserted in the robot itself, along with one extra dirt disposable bag. With our patented 3-stage cleaning system, know that our tangle-free rubber brushes, along with our specially designed edge brush, are going to be able to allow Roomba to clean any type of floor that you have in your home. That's right, carpets, tile, whatever you got, Roomba can handle. Plus, Roomba can get into all those hard to reach areas like under your entertainment center, under the table, and even under your bed. With our patented dirt detect technology, you know that Roomba's going to focus clean where it's needed the most. So underneath the bed where it might be the dirtiest because it's hard to reach, you know that Roomba's going to be able to focus on that area before moving off to another. That's right, Roomba doesn't do single pass cleaning like you'll see with other robotic vacuum brands. Have a larger home, multiple kids, pets, maybe all of the above? It's not a problem. It now includes our intelligent imprint smart mapping, where you get to pick and choose when and where you want Roomba to go clean in your home. Maybe you just want to clean the master bedroom and the dining room, and they're on the opposite ends of the house. Roomba's going to take off, do those rooms in the order that you chose, and then return home right after. If Roomba's bin fills up before the job is complete, know that Roomba's going to travel home to the clean base, empty its bin, charge its battery if needed, and then pick up right where it left off, and then continue to do this until the job is complete. That dirt and debris that Roomba picks up during its cleaning missions will be emptied into an enclosed disposable bag that can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. That means no cloud of dust when you go to empty it. Simply open the lid to the clean base here, pull the tab up, pull the bag out, throw this used bag in the trash. Go ahead and grab a new bag to replace it with, and slide it on into the clean base here. It's that clean and simple. With imprint link technology, you know that Roomba's going to vacuum first, and when it's finished, it's going to tell Braava Jet M6, it's your turn. Braava Jet M6 is going to go out and mop your floors. This is going to give you that total home floor cleaning that we all want. The great thing about the Irobot Home App with the Roomba i3 Plus EVO is that you can tell your robot to clean on demand, set a repeating schedule, or simply tell Google or Alexa enabled devices to have your Roomba go clean all the rooms or a specific room. Which, that reminds me, Alexa, can you tell Roomba i3 Plus EVO to clean the kitchen, please?
Okay, I'll tell EVO to vacuum the kitchen.
All right, that's everything you need to know about the Roomba i3 Plus EVO. This robot is awesome, and you should probably own one already. But if not, stop delaying, go ahead and pick yourself up one today so you can enjoy more free time back in your day. See y'all later.